lost the trail. Really starting to snow now. Go back.
Welcome back to the channel. We're Billy and Leanne and we live full time in our van, and we're currently taking you along with us on Scotland's NC500.
The route is super boggy. We should have wore wellies or chose when it's not raining.
In this week's episode, you join us on a boggy walk to see the beautiful Clashnessie Falls. We've heard there's going to be some snow coming, but according to the lady in a local shop, it was only going to be a light dusting. Stay tuned to see us Essex folk experience our first Scottish snowstorm.
So we've just been warned about the ticks that are up here are really bad apparently. So if you are coming up here, be careful of them.
We thought that ticks were like big, like you would see them. Lady just said they can be as small as freckles.
Yeah, so we haven't even checked really. No. Hopefully we ain't got no ticks.
I think we were okay.
If you are coming up here, be careful of the ticks.
Yeah.
Right, you're first.
Of course I would be.
Oh, I just nearly lost the whole shoe. So loud! It was a boggy walk, wasn't it, Leanne?
Right, so we both nearly lost a shoe. Flo took an absolute plunge.
So we're going to head back to Loch Inver. We're going to stock up on some food, grab a coffee, fill up on fuel, and then wait for this snow to arrive that we're apparently getting. I can't see it at the minute. It looks lovely out there.
Yeah, calm before the storm, as
Calm
they
before
say.
the storm. Good morning.
Morning.
We have woken up today at a place called Nookcraig, which is a nature reserve around Ullapool.
It's really good here as well. You can officially stay here for a donation of £10. And there's also really nice, really clean toilets over there that look like log cabins.
There's a really good hike that you can do which starts at this car park, which we're going to be doing today, which takes you around the nature reserve and tells you all about the history of it.
I'm really hoping that we're going to be able to see deers today, because everyone on this spot in the reviews says they've seen red deers, they've seen loads of them, and we've literally seen like
none.
none.
We see a golden eagle, that was it.
So it'd be really nice to see some deers, even if they're really far in the distance today. That on brand. Let's get on this walk.
This rock that I'm standing on is 1,000 million years old. according to this slab in the floor. Yeah, interesting.
Not usually too bad with heights, but this is making me feel a bit leggy. We're at the top of Nookcraig and it's absolutely beautiful. It's literally everywhere you look, apart from Willow's poo bag, is beautiful scenes.
Part of Leanne's uniform now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's actually a really good trail, and the fact that you can stay in the car park overnight and come straight on the trail is really good.
So we're going to head back to the van now, and what we're going to do?
What we're going to do, so we're going to stay around this area for a couple of days because there's a few other little bits we want to do in this area. There's some caves that we want to explore.
So let's get back to the van. This is a banging spot.
Ridiculous. What a spot. What a spot.
I know, what a find.
Truly happy with this spot find. This is absolutely mental. On the edge of the cliff, and there's a beach over here. Literally perfect.
We've got the fire on, chilling at the spot, and we're just about to cook a bit of dinner. Leah's currently wrapped up in a blanket because she's freezing cold. I'm in a jacket. You can see our breath. We've got heating, but we're not using it.
Because we set the fire up. I'll say Bill set the fire up. Got the fire on, and then it started pissing it down raining. So.
We're actually expecting snow, so
But we're dedicated to the fire, so I'm not putting the heating on.
we're not putting the heating on. But we are cooking pasta and sauce. We're both going for cheese, leek, and ham. This is a Lockimber AP. Apple pie,
So
baby.
do you know what this will mean?
What? 3 pies in a row?
We've had
3 pies in 3 days. Dinner is served.
so much. It's actually chucking it down with rain.
I'm eating out of pan.
Is it?
Enjoy it.
Yeah, you take that in.
Enjoy the fire.
You
I'm
enjoy
waiting for the
that.
snow.
You enjoy that on your own.
So, good morning, everyone. Just woken up. Last night we had a bit of a disaster, wasn't it, Leanne?
Oh my god.
So, wasn't expecting it, but it was just had so much wind and rain, and we were parked right next to a cliff, and Leanne was waking up all night thinking we was going to roll off the cliff.
Honestly, I really did. I was so convinced that we was gonna. That I thought that Bill hadn't put the handbrake on properly, and the wind was gonna roll us into the sea. I'm not joking. I was so scared.
It's so rough out there. The sea is so rough. It's so windy. Didn't get no snow though. But look at that. It actually looks quite nice out there. But super rough and so windy. So we've both had next to no sleep. We sound like right whingers.
We'll still go to the Bone Cave.
We're going to go to the Bone Caves, and then we'll probably just head into Ullapool, I think, if the weather's that bad. So we're going to make a coffee and then decide what to do today. like one point of view, and then you come back the other way and it's a complete different view.
Yeah.
So I reckon if we was to do this again, we'd have to go the other way round, and it'd be a completely different trip.
Even when you go to a park up and drive back out, it's like a different place, isn't it?
We could be in for a snowstorm here. That snow cloud is coming over there. It's starting to snow proper. Apparently we're meant to take a right at the fork where the big boulder is. There's a big boulder there. Yeah, we go the right way.
Look out for the big boulder. There's rocks everywhere.
It's really starting to snow. Maybe that's the boulder. I think that's the boulder we're talking about. I think we've got to take a right at this boulder in front of this trail. Maybe. Right, we seem to have lost the trail. Right, it's really starting to snow now. There is no trail. Right, we go back. This is mental. It's got really bad. Apparently there's only meant to be a little bit of snow, but I don't think it's wise going all the way up to the top. And this one got wow. That coming quick, didn't it?